This is the third rigid shop vac I have disassembled successfully, and hope to reassemble half as successfully. And this one, when I would turn it on, made a real high-pitched whining noise. And the reason why is dirty. This is and was clogged up. I was pulling papers out like that, leaves, feathers. So they probably ran it with no filter. That's why they threw it away, because they couldn't figure out what was wrong with it. But not that there's any, I'm trying to make myself out to be better than anyone else. It's just there's a lot of things I don't know about. And just like whoever had this one didn't know you could take it apart and clean it. A lot of people don't know you can take these apart and clean them. But first you should use the filter. Whoever had this just didn't know that you have to keep a filter on there, and you can take it apart and clean it. You don't have to throw it in the garbage out in the alley. So I'm going to clean her up. Not that I think I'm better than anyone. There's a lot of things I don't know. Look, I don't know your name. You don't hear me crying about it. So I got my drill hooked up to the motor that I pulled out. I already did this off camera. Nah, I can't do jack shit on camera. Pretty corroded. You can see there the bright color there at the bottom. And a little bit darker there in the middle. It's just corrosion. Get better performance out of it if we get that cleaned off. I don't know how much, but so I'm going to turn it with the cordless, and I got a piece of 1000 grit sandpaper rolled up and tucked there. I just dropped it like I was dropping drugs. All right, real super light pressure, and the sandpaper isn't the same diameter as that. So basically you want to make sure you sand it even. You don't want it to be at an angle or any other shape than its original, because it'll potentially do damage to these, or they just won't make contact anymore if you really screw it up. So yeah, have fun. Got the motor popped back into the frame, reconnecting that wire. I should clean that. Should probably clean that. Yeah. Nah. I hope this is the right way. I don't remember. Oh well. Kind of got the wires mixed up. Nah, I think this is the right way, but oh, it should be all right. I don't think it matters, right? Alternating current, it can alternate. All right, we'll put it like this. Hey, we'll see what happens. Put an Allen head right there, and it holds the engine shaft while you tighten down this nut. Oh, well, I tighten it down. Maybe. Trying to do it through the camera or the phone. See, otherwise the whole thing just spins. So I'm too lazy to get an Allen wrench, but I got this here screwdriver that fits in there. Pretty tight. It wasn't on there very tight to begin with. So yeah, I fucked that off right there. So look at these over here, watch. Now this thing only goes on one way. There's no arrows to line it up. Oh wait. Oh yeah, right there, 12 o'clock and 16 o'clock. You just gotta line it up. No. Let's find a good one here. No. Still not quite. Let's turn it again. No. Ah. I think. Yep. By golly. Yep, see? 12 and 16 o'clock right there. Bear, 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 give me a fucking bear, 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 bear. Oh, shut up, son of a bitch. Don't you hate when you come to the end of a project, and rarely does it fail, you got an extra screw? Not me. I'm missing 2 screws. Yeehaw. Sounds down. What was that? Oh shit. I think I left a piece of sandpaper in the motor.